CRM Reporting. As part of the CRM module, you are provided with an out-of-the-box CRM report. This allows users to quickly derive the current, past, and projected state of their leads pipeline. You can access the leads report through the Explorer sidebar. Simply click on CRM, then CRM Reporting. The Reports page offers information across 3 sections. The first section provides insights on the leads pipeline for active leads. The count of active leads is provided along with the estimated revenue from the opportunities. You can also view value of estimated revenue across various statuses for active leads. The second section provides an overview of leads being chased by various opportunity managers. As you hover your pointer above a particular bar, you can view in numbers the estimated value of opportunities being handled by subject lead manager. This will assist you in gauging the workload across the sales team. The third and final section helps you take a comprehensive view of the past performance. It provides a real-time snapshot for value of opportunities lost and won over the lifetime of records in the system. You can also visualize the sum of deal value of opportunities won by individual salespersons.